Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So here we have the Mini Cooper. This is the R56 and I've got a problem with the boot. I cannot open the boot from the switch. It seems to have gone. So the only way I can open the boot at the moment, it's rather annoying, is with the key. So it clicks open. So I've ordered the new part, got it off of eBay. I'll put a screenshot up. So it's in the box here. I'll slide that out in a second. So this is a super easy job. You need a T20 Torx, one of these. I've already just put some WD-40. Can't really see. You've got 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, just lube them up with a bit of WD-40, and then we're just going to go in, and a little bit of a tricky angle on this one. Sorry about the lighting, it is a little bit bad. Cloudy day in the UK. So we're going to get these off. I will do that as it's a little bit tricky one-handed. And then there will be a connector behind the switch. You can't really see how bad that is. It just looks dirty, but obviously it's not working. So we'll pull this off and I'll show you the next step. Okay, so here is the new one, unboxed in the chrome finish again. And as you can see, you've got your connector in the middle there, and it even comes with the license plate bulbs, all included for like 30 quid, which is brilliant value for money. So let's go back to the old one. So it's literally just popped off, and you can see you got these 4 light location molds. So they obviously tie up with the back of the unit. One connector. Probably got a little bit underneath that I need to pull out. Maybe a 2-hand job. But I'll also clean this area across the back there, just to get the nastiness out. So I'll go and get a rag for that. Plug in a new one and put the 4 bolts back in, and that'll be it, hopefully. So here we are, new one is connected in place. Literally just pulled out from the top bit there. Obviously be careful with this cable, don't over pull on it. And then you create a seal. This obviously fits inside there. So sort of fits in there. And now we just get the 4 screws back in and test it. So I've just lightly positioned the 4 bolts in place. You do have to put a bit of downforce on it to get it in position, and then obviously screw it up. As you can see, there's daylight there, but once it's all locked in place, it should be fine. Moment of truth. Oh, we've got 2 little lights on, so that's good. And yeah, you can hear the switch working, so that's good. So I'll lock it in place and it's job done. Okay, so the finishing part of the job, my favourite bit, remove this and test the switch. Oh, I can open the boot normally, what joy. Jesus, yeah, because that was super irritating. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe. One super easy mod